From Zimbabwe's #1 music producer and music studio comes Zimbabwe's latest and hottest music rhythm, the Tyler Kim medley.
Mount Zion Music.
Produced and recorded and mastered by Timan at Mount Zion Music. The Tyler Kim medley is Zimbabwe's #1 dancehall rhythm. The video is produced and directed by Sydney Mataro Productions, featuring many superstars. Ngoni, Freeman,
Magorokoza Mafia 19
Celsius, G. Brandon, Confused, Ninja Lips, D-Fire, Tali B, and many more superstars. The Tyler Kim medley, blazing hot right now. Get it now. Zimbabwe's #1 dancehall rhythm, produced by Timan. The video is produced and directed by Sydney Mataro Productions. The Tyler Kim medley, blazing hot right now. Show the world what you can do.
Tayenda, 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 tayenda,